counting. I know. You're doing so good. You're doing so good, honey. You all right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Excuse me. My wife's in labor. We called ahead for Dr. Wheeler. I just need you to fill this out, please.
Thank you.
Have a seat. I'll be right up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Is this your first?
No, it's our third. We're gonna name her Jessica. Where's John? Where's my husband?
Just relax now. Everything's gonna be okay.
What's happening? What are you doing?
I'm so sorry for your loss.
What?
Your baby's dead.
No, it's not dead, it's alive. What are you talking about? It's moving.
It's a terrible loss. We're so sorry. Just relax.
What? No. Put me asleep. I'm gonna be asleep.
It's too late for that. Okay, honey, you're doing great.
Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing?
You might feel some tugging.
Congratulations, Mrs. Coleman. It's a girl.
Ama bekerja berapa? Masih sebenarnya. Más o menos, ¿no? Como están.
Yes, Kate. Your dreams can be a manifestation of your emotions. It's your body and mind's way of dealing with the stress and grief of what happened.
What if this has nothing to do with the stillbirth?
What do you think it's about?
Well, we're seeing kids for the first time this weekend. Maybe the nightmares, maybe I'm just not ready to adopt yet. I drove by the wine shop on the way home the other night.
Did you stop?
I wanted to. The thought went through my brain, It wasn't for myself. It wasn't. I just thought it would be nice to have a bottle.